What's up everybody, it's Parker with BI Elite. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add vertical text to your text boxes in Power BI. As of the time of this video, this isn't actually possible out of the box with the default text box visual. You have to use a little bit of a workaround. And vertical text is very helpful in case you want to show maybe some category name on the left side in vertical text, or you just need to save some horizontal space. So I'm quickly going to demo how to create this vertical text within your reports. Firstly, let's create a text box visual just to show you the current limitations. So if I want to say something like this is some text, and I'm going to make that a little bit bigger so it's nice and easy to see. Let's make that size, let's just do 36 font. So this is some text here. And if we look at the formatting options, we see that we don't have any option to rotate the text in this visual, in this little pop out. If we look at the formatting pane on the right side, we don't see anything that'll help us rotate that either. So here's where the trick comes in. You just use the shape visual instead of the text box visual. So by default, that's going to create a rectangle with some fill and an outline. So go ahead and get rid of the fill, go ahead and get rid of the outline, and then there's a text option. Let's turn that on. We can say this is some text as well, and change the font color to black, and I'm going to make it the same 36 font. So as of right now, it looks the exact same as our text box. So now all we have to do is go to the rotation option, and we can either rotate the entire visual or we can rotate the text. For right now, I'm going to rotate the text. I'm going to make that 270 degrees of rotation and resize it so it fits on one line. And that's it, you have your vertical text. So if I were to actually use this, I would probably use this as a categorical label to maybe show a section. I would say something like category 1 and throw it on the left side, and now everything in this row might pertain to category 1, something like that. But pretty easy to do with that shape visual. Not sure why it's not included in the text box. Hopefully it is in the future, but for now this works pretty well. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. It's the best way to show your support of the BI Elite YouTube channel and helps me continue creating Power BI content. Also quickly, if you like the way I explain Power BI concepts, make sure you check out my training over at training.bielite.com. We have some awesome Power BI courses, DAX courses, SQL and Alteryx. We're also doing some live trainings as well. And with that, I'll see you in the next video.